So Denali got off his leash. At least he's smart enough to stick with us for his little pack here. He's a pain in the butt. Imagine trying to catch a husky that can run for 60 miles. Doesn't happen, so. Come here, bud. He likes to explore. Come on. Come on, bud. Despite the frustration of trying to get him,
He's just wearing himself out.
he wears himself out. So, in the snowstorm, it's kind of surreal watching him run around and piss off the neighbors. Come on, bud. We're gonna go. So, anyway, wanted to capture a little bit of this. So hopefully you can see the snow. It's just an amazingly beautiful little walk. It's also a lot harder to walk through 8 inches or about 6 inches of snow. I guess that's good. But anyway, there you have it. Crazy dog on the loose. Update at 11.